Alright, race fans, so this is what it looks like, the progression in the learning of how to lay the plastic in behind the white. Now, this is much different than what I did before, so there's some learning here to keep the cars right. I was watching them yesterday on that video, watching them come out of here. Once they come off of this, they're pretty much in the air, some of them, for a while. And they are coming in where they can come in this way. There's a demonstration car. So what shall we demonstration car with? Here, this Bentley. And ooh, how about a rubber wheeled one? Which one of the rubber wheeled ones do I like? I like this Regera. All right. Oh yeah. So this is down through here, there, down through there. Down here like this, and then it's going to be a sharp angle.